I'm haunting.
What am I behind you?
Oh, there you go. We spawn friends. Oh, that's so sick. I'm back. So back. Everyone's alive. I don't know where you
Oh, let's play a game.
Oh, is this the place?
This is a hiding spot.
Oh, I think. Oh, you put his clothes on.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Yeah.
I'm going in. Oh, he's putting me in the oven, I think. Oh, I'm going for the big stick, bro. I'm not standing back. What is that?
You don't want any of this.
No, what is this?
Trust me.
What is this on the floor? This looks like it could be a prank.
Our friend.
The mission comes first. Remember that. Don't forget the
The mission comes first. How are we going to do it without our teammates?
Oh, good God.
Fine,
Just
somebody
like
get
this.
involved.
Oh, the baby. Take this baby. Take this baby.
Wait,
He took it.
Mom,
He
are
took
you
it.
in the oven?
The baby took it. In the fridge.
Oh, no, yeah. He's saying you're a big gun, but Mom.
It was a Fraggle. Wait, is Nathan for you? I got a Fraggle. Oh, just toss it. Oh, I see. That's kind of the best way to.
I'm opening it. Do you see it opening?
Yeah.
Is the first thing you're seeing me as a savior?
Yeah, come in. This guy's having a very strange day. He's going up runner. It's relentless. Oh, there's madness. I want the madness. That's gonna be a problem.
There, I sent him out.
Oh,
But he's still tied up. How do we untie him? Hey, Mom, what do you have to say?
Thank you. I'm trying to actually get stuff. I'm that baby. Here, come take the beer. Here comes the baby.
Here comes the baby.
Here comes the baby. Take the baby. Take the can, baby. Let's see if it counts or something.
La coude.
Do you not understand the glasses?
Viens dans la coude.
Then why did baby take it? Look at this thing.
Wait, you have to shut that way. You just, I'm trying to. Look.
You gotta hide. He's coming behind you.
Look, let me in.
Viens dans la coude.
Where is he?
Is that Ethan?
Yeah.
Viens dans la coude.
Oh, shit. Wait, can you pick up two of us? I'm not sure. Because I might be able to just go, I'm going to exploit the open.
He is such a.
And?
I'm holding on to him.
How
Do you
is
see me
he?
holding on to him?
Grab onto his dog. Grab to his dog.
Look, I'm holding on to him.
What is this? He's putting me down. That's a retard. 2600. I'm in the oven. Someone wants to open it real quick. Yeah, okay. He's outside oven.
He's off, right?
Wait, there's lots of. Okay, we made it to. We made it past him. We're in the dining room. I haven't seen the. I'm looking for the big one of them.
I'm in the fridge if anyone has time.
La coude. T'es pas folle.
Oh,
T'es pas folle, la coude.
Yeah. I don't know. Don't break stuff.
don't break it. We need to bring it out.
We need to blow up a human.
Fraggles. What about this plate? Don't fraggle. Yes. Bring it out. It's glass. It's not glass. It's ceramic. Yeah, glass works for red. Like I've said it like 30 times. Oh, you keep saying glass, bro. God, my God. I like that plate. Bring it outside. Yeah. I got it. I think I'm beat. Oh, shit. Oh, he's dressed. He's dressed and he looks pissed.
No!
He's dressed and he looks pissed. I'm running. I'm running.
Go, get it. Oh, he's going now. He's going, right?
Then you're the last one. You might need to go. Wait,
He's dizzy.
He's dizzy.
He's dizzy.
No. You can knock him. You can knock him on the head or something.
Wait, Ethan, look back on me. I don't think we're going to use him from that angle, hey? Can you set him on fire?
Wait, am I free? I'm free. Oh my God. I'm free. Open the oven and fridge. Where did the glass break?
Guys, we have to turn the stove on and then smoke a cigarette to blow him up.
Yeah, I got the plate. I got the plate. And the rest of the boat. I got it. I don't know how I did that. I knocked him out. Thank you. Okay. That was good fun.
I'm
Baby,
pretty much
take
dead.
it.
Don't even bother because I'm
Take it,
gone.
baby. We're not leaving anyone behind. I got a Fraggle. Okay, so Fraggles are done, dude. That plate was
Cute.
free Fraggle.